Nursing students on Thursday continue to welcome the announcement made by His Excellency President Ali, which will see healthcare professionals' salaries being increased by as much as 74%. Many of them are confident that the salary increases will continue to make the sector more desirable for young people while improving the value being placed on the human resources within the public health sector.
Well, first of all, I must say it was a good thing. It was long overdue. I must compliment the government on what they did. At least with the increase that we seen, I think that this year would actually encourage our nurses to actually stay and work for their own, because they're being better paid. Um, so yeah, I think it would kind of actually gravitate back our nurses to actually stay.
I think this is a very good step from the government, and I think it was highly needed as well, considering all the efforts the frontline officers have put in, especially at the time of the pandemic. For the last couple of years, it has been rough for everybody, but especially for the frontline workers as they had to face deal with the crisis and stuff. So I think it's a very great step from the government, and we hope and look forward to many more such events.
This salary was increase was long overdue because the doctors work really hard and long, and the nurses as well, especially during COVID. As doctors and nurses, medical professionals, you put yourself at risk for a lot of diseases and a lot of sicknesses and illnesses versus most other professions. So having a salary increase, it's better for you just to take care of yourself, just in case anything happens to you, and take care of your family.
I actually think that the recent announcements have been very wonderful. They're very beneficial to the workers, the staff members of the hospital. I do believe that a increase in their salary would help them to ensure that they can be able to come to work. They can take care of themselves and their families to ensure that they can come to work and give out their best efforts to the patients.
I recently heard that the increment in the salary, that was so good. Even I was planning to go back India and do my internship, but here, looking at the salary, it's so fine. It's so good for us. So even after hearing the salary, I'm thinking to do internship here. Yeah, it's so good for. It's so happy for all the doctors and all the interns and all the pharmacologists who's working here.
In that aspect, I think it's a good initiative because it gives the nurses perspective to go out there and keep doing what they've been doing